But now, to start the day with a special presentation, Bampton Players will present a mummers play, written by Averil Saxby. So everyone, welcome to Bampton Fair. God save the King! God save the King! Okay, so we're going to do our little thing to give you plenty of time. It needs time to change.
Ready? Yeah.
He's not changed yet, so we'll do another circuit. But you can go back this way. I think we could be ready.
Now, hear ye all and hear ye well, for we've a right fine tale to tell. We welcome you to Bampton Fair. Our story's brief, no need of chair. Oh. In comes the lady of the manor. Oh, there's none lovelier than her. I've come to meet my sweetheart dear. He said that he would meet me here. Although he's not nobility, honest, noble, true is he. His name is Ned, he farms the land, and with his love he's won my hand. Aww. And I will be his own true wife until death comes to take my life.
In comes I'm Ned the farmer. I've wooed my lady, I have disarmed her, and now to church where we will wed, then she will share my farmer's bed.
In come I, Rich Jack the trader. I want the lady to parade her. Not so fast, you filthy swine, you are not fit for this lady so fine. How will you give her silken gowns and fill her purse with golden crowns? Dear lady, turn your eyes to me. My wealth ensures your finery. We will live well and happily. Forsake this pig man and marry me.
No! What are you saying? Stand off, sir, go! You will not slight my lady so.
How will you, sir? How
it's going to be a fight.
Where is your sword? How will you smite?
Fight!
I've just begun. Stand up and take it like a man. Oh dear. Doesn't look good.
Oh dear.
Doesn't look well to me. Oh dear, looks like what's to do. Looks like this day I may rue. In come I, a man of law. You need not tell me. All I saw. He's too dead. I've got to get rid of him. Oh dear, oh Lord, he's dead. What's to do? I think this day I may rue. Definitely dead. You may not tell me, for I saw what happened here before. And you shall pay. Oh, you shall rule the day. For I will take your pigs and your farm, unless that lady on your arm become my wife and go with me. For my silence, you must let her free.
I'll box your ears, you scurvy knave.
Oh, no.
Till death I'll fight her honour to save.
Oh,
here we go again.
Fight. Okay, I'll fight. Come on.
Come on, you lily-livered maggot. I'll teach you a lesson you won't forget.
He don't like fighting.
What? You did too? How can this be? Are all Bampton men as weak as he? Time that I my true colours show. I am no pig man. I'm a knight.
What? What's going on?
I am St. George, and I will fight for my lady. Fair and true is she. She has been faithful unto me.
George?
I will her wed and her caress. But first I must clear up this mess.
Mess it is. And you'll come up proper for killing the rich man and the copper. Though knight you be, 'twas unprovoked, and the law can't be revoked.
Is there a doctor, sober and stout, can stride in now and sort this out? Is there a doctor in the town can raise these men and calm things down? Can anybody bring them back to life? I only did it for my wife. I've slain dragons for fair England. Is there no one who can lend a hand?
What is this I hear you say? Are you trying to get away with murder? That is contrary to all the rules. Now, let me see. Yes, these are definitely mine. You have taken too much time. The regulations are quite clear. Only a quack would volunteer to resurrect these souls, so these souls are mine. Oh, cheerio.
Here we go.
Did someone call me? Here I come. Oh, you're looking a little peaky, chum. Take this daily for 2 weeks. It'll put the roses in your cheeks, just like it does mine. And you'll soon feel fine. You'll be cured in no time. Right, who's next? You'd better form a line. Well, that was quick to do the trick. Let's see if it cures all the sick.
You think they're sick? Well, you jest, my friend. These chaps have made a sticky end.
Now, jesting's what I do best, but Doctor, will you stand the test?
Stand well back, stand well back. Make some space. This might be a tricky case. I think some extra help is needed. Yes. Or the reapers to be heeded. My bride is at hand, and it is famed throughout the land. There is nothing it can't cure. Even this, I'm fairly sure.
Hey!
Well, bless my soul, that quack has done it. Of his career, this is the summit. Now, lady, you have your choice of these 3 suitors. Where's your voice?
Oh, forever Ned's am I to be. If he will have me still, I'm free. Must I call you George, my love?
Together we will stand hand in glove, whatever name you list for me, and I'll be more careful with the fists.
Quite right, dear.
That's your lot, our tale is told. The lady chose her knight so bold. All is well, be of good cheer, and we'll see you at the fair next year, or 12 o'clock at the Toucan.